Yeah, welcome, sir. The former governor of Anambra State, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. Yeah, welcome, sir.
Take. Give me this one. He's talking to give me this.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله على النبي الكريم ما بعد.
And well morning for our departed president.
All right, so how will you describe the late president?
Well, I had the opportunity of meeting him while I was campaigning, and I remember his words. So today, please care for the poor Nigerians. That's what I always remember. And I believe that he did his best within his capacity.
All right, what do you think Nigerians need to learn from the president?
Well, we have to all learn how to serve our country, knowing that one day we will all be called back by our Creator.
A lot of people have talked about his simplicity and the void of materialism. Will you agree with this postulation?
Of course, if you look around, and for those of us who, like I said, I'm not close to him, I only met him during my campaign, and I remember vividly his, what I call, sincere appeal for fighting and caring for the poor.
All right, thank you very much for this. We've just had